Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 20th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. And stay tuned till the end for today's AI Market Roundup. Breaking news. Drug discovery just got a massive AI upgrade. Here's your weekly AI News Roundup. Bristol-Myers Squibb, building life science industry's most advanced AI factory on Nvidia Vera Rubin. Pharmaceutical giant Bristol-Myers Squibb, BMS, is building what they call the super-duper pod, the most powerful AI computer in life sciences. It runs on Nvidia's new Vera Rubin chips. Think of it like a superbrain that can test millions of drug ideas in hours instead of years. What this means for you: faster drug discovery means new medicines could reach you years sooner and at lower cost. Meta-Anthropic deal, SpaceX Pentagon Compute, AI code migrations. Meta, Facebook's parent company, just struck a deal with Anthropic, the company behind the Claude AI assistant. Meanwhile, SpaceX is selling computing power to the Pentagon, and companies are rushing to move their old code to AI-powered systems. It's a busy week for big tech and big government. What this means for you: these deals mean AI will get built into more apps you use daily, and your data might be processed in space. What to watch for after Jensen Huang's Japan visit. Nvidia's CEO Jensen Huang just left Japan with deals across the country's entire tech ecosystem, from robotics to cars to telecoms. Japan is betting big on AI to boost its economy, and Nvidia is their chip supplier of choice. What this means for you: Japanese car makers and electronics could get smarter AI features. Think self-driving Toyotas and AI-powered rice cookers. Can an Apple lawsuit derail OpenAI's hardware plans? Apple is suing OpenAI over alleged patent infringement. This could slow down OpenAI's plans to build its own AI hardware and go public. Think of it like a legal roadblock right before a big race. What this means for you: if OpenAI's hardware plans get delayed, you might have to wait longer for that rumored AI-powered gadget. Odyssey director Christopher Nolan calls AI an obvious Trojan horse. Christopher Nolan, the director of Oppenheimer and Inception, says AI is like a Trojan horse, something that looks like a gift but hides a threat. His point: we should be careful about what we let inside our digital walls. What this means for you: Nolan's warning reminds us to think twice before trusting AI with our most personal information. Nonprofit Current AI is racing to build the World Wide Web of AI, free for all. A nonprofit called Current AI wants to build a free open AI network like the World Wide Web, but for AI. Their goal: make AI tools that work for every culture and language, not just English. What this means for you: if they succeed, you could use powerful AI for free, no matter where you live or what language you speak. Threat or menace. A Chinese company called Moonshot AI just released a new version of its Kimi model. Some experts worry it could lead to full AI communism, meaning AI controlled entirely by the state. Others say it's just another chatbot. What this means for you: the rise of state-controlled AI could change how information is filtered in your apps and news feeds. Conclusion and key takeaways. That's your AI News Roundup for this week. Big money pouring into drug discovery, a legal battle between Apple and OpenAI, and a warning from Christopher Nolan. AI is moving fast. Stay curious, stay skeptical, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget, if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Drop a comment. Which story surprised you most? See you in the next one.